Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to learn about constructors in Java. If you are new to Java or object-oriented programming, don't worry, by the end of this video, you will clearly understand what a constructor is, why it is important, and how to use it with examples. In Java, a constructor is a special type of method that is used to initialize objects. When we create an object from a class, the constructor is called automatically, without us having to call it directly. There are a few important rules about constructors. The name of the constructor must be the same as the class name. A constructor has no return type, not even void. Constructors run automatically whenever an object is created. In simple words, constructors are like blueprints for how an object should be set up when it is first created. To use it with examples. Let's look at the syntax. Class name. Class name, / constructor body. Here, the constructor has the same name as the class. For example, if the class is called car, then the constructor must also be named car. When we create an object of this class using the new keyword, the constructor is executed automatically. Let's take a simple example. Class car. String color, / constructor. Car, string C. Color equals C. Public class main. Public static void main, string, args. Car my car equals new car, red, system.out.println, car color, plus my car.color. Here's what's happening, we created a class called car. Inside the class, we defined a constructor that accepts one parameter, the color of the car. When we write new car, red, the constructor runs automatically and sets the color of the car to red. Now let's check the output of this code. Car color, red. This shows that the constructor successfully assigned the color value to our car object. If we created another object, like new car, blue, then the output would show car color, blue. This is the power of constructors. They help us quickly initialize different objects with different values. Let's summarize what we learned. A constructor is a special method in Java. The name of the constructor must match the class name. It has no return type. It runs automatically when an object is created. Constructors can also take parameters to set up initial values for objects. In short, constructors save time and make our programs cleaner by automatically initializing objects. And that's it. Now you know what constructors are and how to use them in Java. Backhand index pointing right. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Java tutorials.